Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this drawing, and he can't figure out how to get this white space. And while I'm thinking about it, let's just double check. Just he's got it set on blue, back a page, and you can see it's transparent, but that one part, well, the key is right here. When you select everything, there's actually two objects on layer one. So let's left click, no fill. Let's grab our shape tool, and if you'll notice, all the other shapes are in red except for this one. Well, you don't really need to fix this if you want just this shape cut out. And here's the magic of the Smart Fill tool, is just to Smart Fill it and then move this out of the way, and you can left click, right click, and now when you click on that and fill it with black and then take away your hairline, you have the correct object. It's because there's two objects and it's not one object. He was talking about the weld tool. Well, the weld tool doesn't really have anything to weld. Now you could possibly, let's try this, I don't know if it'll work. Go up to object and combine. Now let's click on it and fill it in, and that way it works. So the weld tool is not the way to go, either the Smart Fill tool or to combine those two objects. Now we've got a curve on layer one, where before we had two objects selected. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.